open. So if they can receive, I think they can capitalize their middle.
Here comes LP. That's De
And
La Salle. Provido
Over the trying to use it here against De La Salle.
on the setup.
Running attack this time from Provido.
The middle blocker, Ini Provido.
Davao. Graduating student na yan sa college.
Here comes
Now
Laput.
Nice dig again by Adlaw.
On a drop shot.
And this time that's the chance for La Salle.
And that's a point for the Lady Spikers.
Good hit na yon kasi it already crossed the net.
She's something special. Here comes Provido.
And that's
And
a
an
good service
ace.
ace for Provido.
It's now 21-11. Team Davao only down by 3.
Good serve by Kabingatan.
Here comes the setup to Lapo. Drop shot. Good dig by Habakon.
Up to Habakon. Good save by La
Ball
Salle.
still live. Sanchez. Habakon.
Ow. That was a setting error there. Sayang.
Provido with a drop shot.
That was an opportunity for Team Davao. Mababa lang yung set.
Oo.